Alright guys, we are at Animal Kingdom this morning. We did Hollywood Studios yesterday, had a great time at Hollywood Studios. It started pouring down rain at the very end of the day, so we weren't able to do an outro, but it was a blast. We got to do every ride in the park. We got to do Smuggler's Run twice. We got to do Mickey and Minnie's twice. It was a blast. Had such a great time. We're looking for a great time, a wild time, as they say at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Then we're gonna hit up Safari first, try to catch some animals. Come along with us, guys.
Due to that very heavy poaching for their horns, there is now only less than 5,000 in the world. And there is nothing significant about those horns except that they are made out of keratin, which is just like your fingernail. 4-hour period, they will sleep about 30 minutes a day. Then they usually spend 80% of their time eating food. They got that prehensile sticky tongue that is a purple color. And the reason why it's purple is because it's a damper on things for them. During the daytime, their eyesight is equal to the human eyesight, but at night, animals' homes for their own. Box is about the only place on this reserve where you can see them because they were hunted almost nearly to extinction for their chest.
Alright guys, we just did Kilimanjaro Safari, one of our favorite rides. The animals were somewhat active in the morning. Hopefully we got a lot of good content for you, but now we just checked. Flight of Passage is a 10-minute wait. 10 minutes. Park's already been open an hour. It's a 10-minute wait. So let's go check out Flight of Passage.
Your eyes, you gotta be like.
Look at how short the lines are. We're the only ones here. We're the only ones.
A chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee.
From the Pandora Conservation Initiative, you're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Navi. Connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the...
Alright guys, so we just got done with Flight of Passage. We've been here a little over an hour. Already did Safari, already did Flight of Passage. Basically everything is a walk-on. Wow, I can't even, it's basically an after-hours event during the day right now. So it's amazing. I can't put into words how easy it is to maneuver. There's no one around. Animal Kingdom's really spaced out. I don't know where we're going next, but y'all are going to come along with us. Hopefully you're enjoying all the content. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and TikTok. We got some awesome TikToks that Bailey's doing. Shout out to her for that. So, alright guys, thanks, and let's go and see what else Animal Kingdom has in store for us.
Salem Nizam.
Alright guys, and that's going to end our day from Disney's Animal Kingdom. We rode every ride. We rode Flight of Passage twice. We rode at our rode at our favorite restaurant. We ate at our favorite restaurant, Flame Tree Barbecue, and there's still like an hour and a half left until the park closes, but we have dinner reservations tonight at the Grand Floridian that we're looking forward to, so we're gonna head out. Another easy time getting around, hardly any wait times. Again, we're gonna do a lot more videos that go a lot more in depth on the things that are a little different. But until then guys, be sure you're following us on Instagram, TikTok, subbing to this channel. And until next time guys, Quaharini, go Disney Kremlins. I'm not sure what we do here anymore.